Most trading channels offer you tens of thousands of dollars a month from your couch. Lambos, lavish dinners, holidays. It's all hype with zero actual process. So today, I'll show you the goal system that I actually use. The same one that bought me my MacBook with one single trade. And starting this week, I'm using it for everything I want or need. No asking permission, no waiting for someone else to pay it. One way to do this is to set a weekly goal and trade for something you actually want. To make it real, a facial, new trainers, a weekend away, whatever you want. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you would have set your own goal, your own plan, and your first week starts now. Here's what most beginners do. They watch a hype trading video, they hear 10 grand a month, and they go, okay, that's the goal. They open an app, they lose money, and they stop. The problem isn't the trading. The problem is the goal. 10,000 a month is too big. It's too vague. Your brain doesn't actually know what to do with it. There's no picture in your head and there's nothing that you can hold. What your brain will respond to is something specific, something you can picture, something you actually want or need. For me, this week, that's microneedling. Honestly, I've wanted to go for facials for ages, but I've always felt guilty as a mom. Like, who am I to spend money on myself? $200 on my face when my kids need something? That voice is loud. So I'm flipping it. This week, I'm trading for it. Not skipping it, not feeling guilty about it, trading for it. That's a totally different game than 10,000 a month. 10 grand a month sounds huge. Let's actually look at it. $2,500 a week and $330 a day. $330 a day still feels like a lot when you look at it like that. But here's the thing, you don't have to start at 10 grand a month. You start with the thing that you actually want this week. For me, that's $200 for a facial. That's it. Not 100 trades, not a daily grind, one specific thing this week. Some weeks, one trade will do it. Some weeks, 3 trades will do it. Some weeks, 0 trades will do it. And that's fine. We're not gambling. We're waiting. That's the first reframe. Stop thinking $10,000 a month. Start thinking the next thing you want or need. That's where it actually all starts. Inside the Moms Who Trade app, we built a goal tracker that does exactly this for you. And it's free. You set what you want and the app does the math for you. Week 1, microneedling. $200, something I've wanted to do for a while. And this week, I'm trading for it. $200 across 7 days is about $30 a day. I'm going to put $1,000 to work to hit this goal. That's only 2.6% growth per day, every day. Now I know exactly what I'm aiming for and what I don't need to be chasing beyond that, because the greed gets real. The bar starts empty, and every day I hit my target, the bar moves. The win isn't one big trade. It's hitting my daily number day after day until Sunday. Some days you'll hit it and some days you'll fall short. That's the game. You're not chasing a monthly fantasy. You're aiming at small daily targets stacked into one specific thing that you want or need. This is the thing that nobody actually teaches you. Trading isn't about a number on a screen. It's about a thing that you want that you can suddenly afford. And the goal tracker is what turns that idea into a daily plan that you can actually follow. So I'm starting a new series and it's called Pin Money. And the idea is simple. Every week, I trade for something I want or need. I set the goal in the app and I trade for it. Monday to Sunday, I post daily updates on Shorts on where I am, what I'm thinking, and whether I hit my target. Sunday is the reveal. Did I hit the week's goal or not? And now I get to work. And by work, I don't mean staring at charts all day. I mean an hour, maybe 2, set aside each day. I look at what's moving and I look for a clean setup on something I actually understand. If the market gives me one, I'll take it. If it doesn't, I'll close my laptop and go play with my kids. That's the part most people get wrong. They think that trading is about being glued to a screen all day. It's the opposite. It's about showing up for that hour, doing the work, and then stepping away. Some days the market gives me a setup, and some days it doesn't. The market doesn't care about my goal. But this week, I want it. So I'm showing up. And I want you to do the same. Not copy me, not trade what I trade. Pick your thing. It could be a haircut, a new pair of shoes, a weekend away, a birthday gift for your husband. It doesn't matter what it is. Just make it specific to something that you want. Start small. Set it in the app this week and watch the daily shorts so you can see how I'm thinking about it. Then take your setup on your chart for your goal. We're running our weeks the same. Not the same trades, but the same rhythm. This is how trading actually changes things. Not $10,000 a month. One thing this week. I want to be honest about where this whole approach came from. My very first goal 3 years ago, my MacBook. I knew exactly which one I wanted. I knew exactly how much it cost, and I'd been waiting for it for a year. I traded one setup. I'm not going to pretend it was complicated. It wasn't. It was a clean entry, I had a target marked, and I was patient. Holding that MacBook in my hands made trading real for me. I didn't set out to make $1,000 that month. I set out to buy a laptop. The trade gave me that laptop, and then I knew this was real. I can do this again. This is how I live my life now. I pick something, I wait for a trade setup, and I trade for it. That's the system. And pin money is just me doing that every week, showing you how the system practically works. Most people get this exactly backwards. They see $10,000 a month, 6 figures a year, and they grind for it. They overtrade, they force setups, and they blow up their accounts. I started with a laptop. I aimed for one specific thing, and the income that came after that just compounded. You don't start by trying to make $10,000 a month. You start by buying yourself the facial that you've put off, the one thing you feel too guilty to ask your husband for, then the trip, then the bigger thing. Goals stack, consistency stacks, income follows, never the other way around. Here's your homework. Before you do anything else, pick your thing. Not a number, a pair of shoes, date night. Whatever it is, name it and picture it. Then open the Moms Who Trade app and set your goal. And let the app give you your daily number. Join a community of moms, making it happen one goal at a time. And then tell me what you're trading for. If your trading view isn't set up yet, please go watch video 1. It walks you through every step. The link is below. If you've never placed a paper trade, then watch video 2. I give you a full method from top to bottom, and it's the same checklist I'll be running this week for all my trades. 1 trade for a MacBook. That was my first goal. This week, microneedling. Next week, something else. And the week after that, something bigger. That's how this actually works. 1 thing at a time. No asking permission, no waiting for someone to pay for it. Pick your goal, set it, and start now. Some may call this pin money, but watch what you can do with it.